Hello and welcome to the FM Book Club, a place where we dive deep into the transformative world of self-help and personal development. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more informational and motivational videos timely. Today I will summarize a book, The Secret, a transformative self-help book penned by Rhonda Byrne that delves into the mystical and profound concept of the law of attraction. With a captivating narrative, the author explores the power of positive thinking and the impact it can have on one's life. The Secret has achieved unprecedented success, becoming a global phenomenon. The book has been translated into numerous languages, reaching a diverse audience. The success of The Secret has contributed to the growth of the personal development industry. It has inspired a plethora of books, seminars, and workshops centered around the law of attraction. The book has garnered support from several celebrities who credit its teachings for their success. These endorsements have further fueled its popularity and influence. In this video, I will summarize the book and unravel the key teachings and insights presented in the book, aiming to provide a nuanced understanding of its core principles. Let's start summarizing the book chapter-wise. Chapter 1. The Secret Revealed. Rhonda Byrne unveils the fundamental principle of the law of attraction, like attracts like. The energy we emit through our thoughts and emotions attracts corresponding energy from the universe. The Secret is presented as a powerful force in shaping our reality. The wisdom of The Secret teachers emphasizes the universal nature of the law of attraction, setting the foundation for readers to grasp its significance. The great secret of life is the law of attraction. The law of attraction says like attracts like, so when you think a thought, you are also attracting like thoughts to you. Thoughts are magnetic, and thoughts have a frequency. As you think thoughts, they are sent out into the universe, and they magnetically attract all like things that are on the same frequency. Everything sent out returns to the source you. You are like a human transmission tower, transmitting a frequency with your thoughts. If you want to change anything in your life, change the frequency by changing your thoughts. Your current thoughts are creating your future life. What you think about the most or focus on the most will appear as your life. Your thoughts become things. Chapter 2. The Secret Made Simple. Byrne simplifies the complex concept of the law of attraction, making it accessible to all. This chapter serves as a guide to understanding how thoughts create reality, and positive thinking can lead to a life of abundance. The law of attraction is a law of nature. It is as impartial as the law of gravity. Nothing can come into your experience unless you summon it through persistent thoughts. To know what you're thinking, ask yourself how you are feeling. Emotions are valuable tools that instantly tell us what we are thinking. It is impossible to feel bad and at the same time have good thoughts. Your thoughts determine your frequency, and your feelings tell you immediately what frequency you are on. When you feel bad, you are on the frequency of drawing more bad things. When you feel good, you are powerfully attracting more good things to you. Secret shifters, such as pleasant memories, nature, or your favorite music, can change your feelings and shift your frequency in an instant. The feeling of love is the highest frequency you can emit. The greater the love you feel and emit, the greater the power you are harnessing. Chapter 3. How to use The Secret. Practical applications of the law of attraction are explored. Byrne introduces visualization techniques, encouraging readers to vividly imagine their desires. The emphasis is on feeling as if the desired outcome has already been achieved. Real-life stories demonstrate the transformative power of applying the law of attraction, adding a layer of authenticity and inspiration. Like Aladdin's genie, the law of attraction grants our every command. The creative process helps you create what you want in 3 simple steps: ask, believe, and receive. Asking the universe for what you want is your opportunity to get clear about what you want. As you get clear in your mind, you have asked. Believing involves acting, speaking, and thinking as though you have already received what you've asked for. When you emit the frequency of having received it, the law of attraction moves people, events, and circumstances for you to receive. Receiving involves feeling the way you will feel once your desire has manifested. Feeling good now puts you on the frequency of what you want. To lose weight, don't focus on losing weight. Instead, focus on your perfect weight. Feel the feelings of your perfect weight and you will summon it to you. It takes no time for the universe to manifest what you want. It is as easy to manifest $1 as it is to manifest $1 million. Starting with something small, like a cup of coffee or parking spaces, is an easy way to experience the law of attraction in action. Powerfully intend to attract something small. As you experience the power you have to attract, you will move on to creating much bigger things. Create your day in advance by thinking the way you want it to go, and you will create your life intentionally. Chapter 4. Powerful Processes. This chapter focuses on gratitude as a transformative process. Expressing gratitude is portrayed as a catalyst for shifting energy and attracting more of what one desires. Overcoming limiting beliefs is addressed to facilitate the manifestation process. Expectation is a powerful attractive force. Expect the things you want and don't expect the things you don't want. Gratitude is a powerful process for shifting your energy and bringing more of what you want into your life. Be grateful for what you already have and you will attract more good things. Giving thanks for what you want in advance turbocharges your desires and sends a more powerful signal out into the universe. Visualization is the process of creating pictures in your mind of yourself enjoying what you want. When you visualize, you generate powerful thoughts and feelings of having it now. The law of attraction then returns that reality to you, just as you saw it in your mind. To use the law of attraction to your advantage, make it a habitual way of being, not just a one-time event. At the end of every day, before you go to sleep, go back through the events of the day. Any events or moments that were not what you wanted, replay them in your mind the way you wanted them to go. Chapter 5. The Secret to Money. Applying the law of attraction to financial abundance is explored. Positive thinking, belief in deserving wealth, and practical steps are highlighted as keys to attracting financial success. To attract money, focus on wealth. It is impossible to bring more money into your life when you focus on the lack of it. It is helpful to use your imagination and make believe you already have the money you want. Play games of having wealth and you will feel better about money. As you feel better about it, more will flow into your life. Feeling happy now is the fastest way to bring money into your life. Make it your intention to look at everything you like and say to yourself, I can afford that. I can buy that. You will shift your thinking and begin to feel better about money. Give money in order to bring more of it into your life. When you are generous with money and feel good about sharing it, you are saying, I have plenty. Visualize checks in the mail. Tip the balance of your thoughts to wealth. Think wealth. Chapter 6. The Secret to Relationships. Byrne delves into the impact of thoughts and emotions on relationships. Focusing on positive aspects and visualizing harmonious interactions are presented as ways to attract fulfilling connections. When you want to attract a relationship, make sure your thoughts, words, actions, and surroundings don't contradict your desires. Your job is you. Unless you fill yourself up first, you have nothing to give anybody. Treat yourself with love and respect, and you will attract people who show you love and respect. When you feel bad about yourself, you block the love and instead you attract more people and situations that will continue to make you feel bad about you. Focus on the qualities you love about yourself and the law of attraction will show you more great things about you. To make a relationship work, focus on what you appreciate about the other person and not your complaints. When you focus on the strengths, you will get more of them. Chapter 7. The Secret to Health. Extending the application of the law of attraction to health and well-being, Byrne suggests that a positive mindset contributes to physical well-being and healing. The placebo effect is an example of the law of attraction in action. When a patient truly believes the tablet is a cure, he receives what he believes and is cured. Focusing on perfect health is something we can all do within ourselves, despite what may be happening on the outside. Laughter attracts joy, releases negativity, and leads to miraculous cures. Disease is held in the body by thought, by observation of the illness, and by the attention given to the illness. If you are feeling a little unwell, don't talk about it, unless you want more of it. If you listen to people talk about their illness, you add energy to their illness. Instead, change the conversation to good things and give powerful thoughts to seeing those people in health. Beliefs about aging are all in our minds, so release those thoughts from your consciousness. Focus on health and eternal youth. Do not listen to society's messages about diseases and aging. Negative messages do not serve you. Chapter 8. The Secret to the World. The collective impact of individuals practicing the law of attraction is explored. Positive changes in individual lives are believed to contribute to positive changes in the world, creating a ripple effect. What you resist, you attract, because you are powerfully focused on it with emotion. To change anything, go within and emit a new signal with your thoughts and feelings. You cannot help the world by focusing on the negative things. As you focus on the world's negative events, you not only add to them, but you also bring more negative things into your own life. Instead of focusing on the world's problems, give your attention and energy to trust, love, abundance, education, and peace. We will never run out of good things because there's more than enough to go around for everyone. Life is meant to be abundant. You have the ability to tap into the unlimited supply through your thoughts and feelings and bring it into your experience. Praise and bless everything in the world, and you will dissolve negativity and discord and align yourself with the highest frequency, love. Chapter 9. The Secret to You. This chapter serves as a catalyst for personal transformation. Readers are urged to recognize their creative power, embrace positivity, and consciously shape their destinies. Everything is energy. You are an energy magnet, so you electrically energize everything to you and electrically energize yourself to everything you want. You are a spiritual being. You are energy, and energy cannot be created or destroyed, it just changes form. Therefore, the pure essence of you has always been and always will be. The universe emerges from thought. We are the creators not only of our own destiny but also of the universe. An unlimited supply of ideas is available to you. All knowledge, discoveries, and inventions are in the universal mind as possibilities, waiting for the human mind to draw them forth. You hold everything in your consciousness. We are all connected and are all one. Let go of difficulties from your past, cultural codes, and social beliefs. You are the only one who can create the life you deserve. A shortcut to manifesting your desires is to see what you want as absolute fact. Your power is in your thoughts, so stay aware. In other words, remember to remember. Chapter 10. The Secret to Life. A profound exploration into the fundamental principles that govern existence. Self-belief, deservingness, and conscious living are emphasized as keys to unlocking the secrets of life. You get to fill the blackboard of your life with whatever you want. The only thing you need to do is feel good now. The more you use the power within you, the more power you will draw through you. The time to embrace your magnificence is now. We are in the midst of a glorious era. As we let go of limiting thoughts, we will experience humanity's true magnificence in every area of creation. Do what you love. If you don't know what brings you joy, ask, what is my joy? As you commit to your joy, you will attract an avalanche of joyful things because you are radiating joy. Now that you have learned the knowledge of the secret, what you do with it is up to you. Whatever you choose is right. The power is all yours. In conclusion, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne provides a comprehensive guide to harnessing the law of attraction for personal transformation. The inclusion of The Secret teacher's words, miraculous stories, and famous quotes enhances the book's impact, offering readers practical insights and inspiration for manifesting their desires. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you will never miss out on future content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you. And remember, you have the power to make positive changes in your life. Keep striving for your goals and never stop learning. Until next time, take care and stay inspired. This is FM Book Club signing off. Catch you on the next video.